everyone. Welcome back to Zenith Wellness. If you're a Nigerian nurse looking to level up your financial game, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share the smartest strategies to grow your hard-earned money. So, let's dive right into it. First off, let's talk about why growing your money matters, especially as a Nigerian nurse. We understand the dedication and hard work you put in, and your financial stability is crucial. From navigating inflation to building a solid future, it's all about making your money work for you. Now, let's get into the strategies. The smartest way for Nigerian nurses to grow their money involves a mix of investment and saving options tailored to your unique situation. We'll explore high-yield savings accounts, diversified investments, and exploring local opportunities that align with your goals. One great approach is high-yield savings accounts. I'll break down the best options available in Nigeria, how they work, and why they're a solid choice for securing your funds while earning interest. Additionally, we'll delve into diverse investment vehicles, from stocks to real estate or even mutual funds. I'll guide you through the possibilities and the steps to get started. Nigeria offers unique investment opportunities. I'll highlight local options like agricultural investments, government bonds, or even starting a small business. Plus, I'll provide resources and platforms specifically designed for Nigerian nurses to maximize these opportunities. Before we wrap up, I'll share some expert tips from financial advisors and successful nurses who've achieved financial growth. Remember, it's about taking calculated risks, staying informed, and being patient. Alright, folks, that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found these strategies valuable. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and share this video with fellow nurses seeking financial empowerment. Until next time, stay financially savvy and keep saving smart.